नमस्कार मंडळी. शुड आय स्टार्ट?
You are started. Okay.
ओके. नमस्कार मंडळी. मी आहे तुमची डॉक्टर अंकिता आणि आज मी तुमच्यासाठी एक खूपच चांगली अपॉर्च्युनिटी घेऊन आली आहे. आणि ही
Hmm.
अपॉर्च्युनिटी त्यांच्यासाठी आहे जे स्पेसिफिकली मुंबईमध्ये राहत आहेत आणि जे फ्रेशर्स आहेत, नॉन टेक्निकल बॅकग्राऊंड मधून आहेत आणि ज्यांना असं वाटतंय की आम्ही बँकेत काम करावं. तर आपल्याबरोबर उदिशा मॅडम जॉईन झालेत. ते आपल्याला सविस्तर सांगतील या प्रोग्रामबद्दल. ओव्हर टू यू उदिशा मॅम.
Thank you, Ankita ma'am, and thank you to all the students who have joined us and who are watching this particular session. As ma'am said, that here we are with an opportunity for all those people who are freshers and people who are from non-tech backgrounds and also people who are ready to live in Mumbai. Because this opportunity anyone can apply for, but you will have to move to Mumbai if you want to work, if you want to take this opportunity up. Okay. Now, I'm going to tell you all the details of this particular opportunity, about the training period, about the fees, the salary, your position, what are you going to do in this particular opportunity. I will be sharing all the things in detail. But first of all, I'd request you all to kindly share this session so that maximum of the freshers can watch this video. Now, without any further delay, I would like to tell you that we are going to talk about the Kotak Sky Bankers program. In this particular program, Kotak Mahindra Bank is hiring freshers. Freshers are getting their full-time job with Kotak Mahindra Bank and with just a simple 45 days training. Okay. Now, this is a very, very simple program. All the details will be shared here. But first of all, I would like you to take a look at the highlights here. You will get to start your career as a virtual relationship manager. Okay. Virtual relationship manager is a very good opportunity for all those people who feel that they are a little underconfident, or people who feel like I can talk to people on phone or emails, but I cannot talk to them one on one. Because initially everybody is a little underconfident and they are all a little worried that, it feels weird if I have to talk to someone, etc., etc. So this is virtual. Everything, all your job is going to be online. Number two, your starting salary is close to 3.5 lakhs per annum. Plus, there is a performance linked pay as well, which is written here also. So if your performance is good, you will also be paid as per your performance. Okay, so this is plus this. This is going to be the entire salary that you take home. Number two, students, please remember, this is not at all a field job. This is a straight up desk job from Kotak Mahindra office. And the most important thing that I always point out to all my students, see, salary is not important. Maybe the grade is not important. What's important is how much you get to learn here. Maybe you've completed your college and you did not learn all the things that make you employable. You have also heard news like close to 70% of Indian graduates are non-employable because there's a major skill gap. But this is one opportunity which is going to help you in skilling also. They are going to train you. They are going to tell you all the details of the banking domain knowledge, your communication skills, your mindset, everything they're going to work on. So this is a very, very, you can say, comprehensive plan for the freshers. First, they get a good job. Second, they are trained as well. Three, they're getting good salary also. And four, this is a desk job, which is also a big concern amidst all the students. They are like, I don't want to do field jobs, which is okay. You don't want to do, so we are giving you a desk job. All right. So, ma'am, over to you if you could just highlight these things.
तर मंडळी, तुम्हाला थोडंफार कळलंच असेल की मॅम काय सांगतायत. तर कोटक बँकमध्ये व्हर्च्युअल रिलेशनशिप मॅनेजरचा रोल आहे आणि तुमची स्टार्टिंग सॅलरी असणार आहे 3.5 LPA. स्टार्टिंग सॅलरी इमॅजिन करा, 3.5 LPA. आणि बँकेत सर्वांना एकच भीती असते की फील्ड जॉब असणार का, तर अजिबात नाही. हा एक डेस्क जॉब आहे आणि सॅलरीच्या व्यतिरिक्त तुम्हाला परफॉर्मन्स बेस्ड पे सुद्धा मिळणार आहे. आणि जसं मॅमनी हायलाईट केलं की आपण जेव्हा पहिल्या जॉबमध्ये जातो तेव्हा मोर दॅन सॅलरी और मोर दॅन लोकेशन तुमचं फोकस असायला पाहिजे स्किलिंगवरती. कारण जेव्हा तुम्ही फर्स्ट जॉबमध्ये तुमच्या जेवढी तुम्ही स्किल्स घेऊ शकताय दॅट इज मोर इम्पॉर्टंट, कारण पुढे जाऊन तुम्हाला त्याचा खूप फायदा होणार. येस
All
मॅम.
right. Now, you have got to know what are the main points of this particular program. Also, there are a few more important details. First of all, who all can apply? So, whether you're living in Haryana, you're living in Delhi, or you're living somewhere in the other parts of the country, you can totally apply for this. But remember these three things. Your graduation should be completed. Graduation should be completed. No second year, first year, nothing. Completed graduation, that means degree and final year results in your hand. And minimum 50% score. In your graduation, overall score needs to be minimum 50%. If it is more than 50%, brilliant, but it cannot be less than 50%. Number two, your age has to be under 25. So you can be 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. That's it, not beyond 25. So whenever you complete your graduation, now imagine if you start your career with one of the leading banks of your country, Kotak Mahindra Bank, at the age of 21 or let's say 22, in next 2-3 years, if today you are starting to earn around 3.5 lakhs per annum, in next 3 to 4 years you can easily be looking at a 8 or 10 lakhs package, which is a very good growth, and it is very possible in the BFSI industry, which is banking, financial services, and insurance industry. And the last thing is, those people who are applying, they should be ready to relocate to Mumbai. Okay, if you're applying for this opportunity, I am very openly telling you that your office will be in Thane region of Mumbai. Okay, so these are the three eligibility criteria, ma'am. I would request you to please.
येस येस. तर मंडळी, ही जी अपॉर्च्युनिटी आहे ती अशा लोकांसाठी आहे ज्यांचं ग्रॅज्युएशन संपलेलं आहे. ठीक आहे. तुमचं ग्रॅज्युएशन म्हणजे तुम्ही 12th नंतरचे तुमचे जे 3 वर्ष असतात ते तुमचं संपलेलं असायला पाहिजे, आणि तेही मिनिमम 50%. ओके. मिनिमम 50%, आणि तुमची एज शुड बी लेस दॅन 25. म्हणजे तुम्ही 21 असाल, 22 असाल, 23 असाल, 25च्या वरती तुम्ही नसायला पाहिजे. तुम्ही अप्लाय करू शकता. आणि सर्वात इम्पॉर्टंट, बघा हा तुमचा पहिला जॉब आहे, तर तुम्ही असं नसायला पाहिजे की यू आर रिजिड आणि तुम्हाला रिलोकेट व्हायचं नाहीये. दिस इज अ व्हेरी गुड अपॉर्च्युनिटी, कारण कोटक बँक इज वन ऑफ द प्रेस्टिजियस बँक्स इन इंडिया, अँड इफ यू आर गेटिंग अपॉर्च्युनिटी इन कोटक बँक, तर तुम्हाला नक्की ही ग्रॅब करायला पाहिजे. तर जर का तुम्ही मुंबईमधून नसाल तर यू शुड बी रेडी टू रिलोकेट, आणि जर का तुम्ही मुंबईमधून आहात तर ठाण्यातच आहे ही अपॉर्च्युनिटी. येस.
Yes. So now moving on, everybody, as I said that you can get your first job in just 45 days. When you join our Kotak VRM, which is Sky Bankers program, what is VRM? Virtual Relationship Manager program. After that, there are 45 days of training that you need to attend to. So the first 30 days training is conducted online, that you can join from your home in an online medium. 30 days, you will be taught about the fundamentals of banking, the relationship management, and all of these parts, all the details of banking basically. Once you complete these 30 days of training, one test is given after the training. So whatever you have learned in those 30 days, based on that, you have to take up a test. And when you clear the test, then comes the second level of training, which is the 15 days training at Kotak office in Thane, Mumbai. Now, these 15 days, you will have to go to Mumbai for your training. And there you can also call it as internship, by the way, because we will also be paying you 5,000 rupees stipend during these 15 days. So if you are moving to Mumbai, let's say just for the 15 days training, you're going there, we are giving you a stipend of 5,000 rupees because these 15 days are like an internship. You will be made to work. They will analyze your quality of work, how you attend to calls, how you speak to clients, what kind of mails are you writing, everything. They will be checking, they will be teaching you. And once you complete these 15 days of training, once again, there is a service quality assessment. They will be doing this assessment, and you will have to secure 85% in this assessment. In the second assessment, you will have to get at least 85%. then you will qualify and you will get the job. So I believe if you are focused and if you are serious about an opportunity, getting 85% is not a big deal, because these are very simple things that you will be taught. How to speak to people politely, how to be a confident person, all the knowledge about the products and bank that will be given to you. You should know these things. So pretty simple. Exactly what you do in a job will be checked here in this quality assessment. So once you complete all of this, you will get a full-time job with Kotak Mahindra Bank. Ma'am.
थँक्यू मॅम. तर 30 दिवसाची तुमची व्हर्च्युअल ट्रेनिंग होणार आहे. एकदा का तुम्ही इंटरेस्ट दाखवला तर तुमची व्हर्च्युअल ट्रेनिंग होणार 30 दिवसाची, आणि ही 30 दिवसाची ट्रेनिंग तुमची होणार आहे ठाण्यात, मुंबईमध्ये ठाण्यात. तर जर का तुम्ही मुंबईमधून नसाल, ओके, आय एम सॉरी, तुमची जी 30 दिवसाची ट्रेनिंग होणार आहे ती व्हर्च्युअल होणार आहे, ऑनलाईन. ठीक आहे. आणि ही ऑनलाईन ट्रेनिंग झाल्यानंतर 15 दिवसाची तुमची ट्रेनिंग जी होणार आहे ती होणार आहे ठाण्यात. आणि ती ट्रेनिंग म्हणजे एक इंटर्नशिप सारखं. आणि इंटर्नशिपमध्ये तुम्हाला 5,000चं स्टायपेंड मिळणार आहे. आणि एकदा का तुमची ही 45 डेजची ट्रेनिंग झाली तर तुमचं एक असेसमेंट होणार. हे काय भारी असेसमेंट नाहीये, एकदम सोपं असेसमेंट असणार. आणि पोस्ट दिस असेसमेंट यू विल क्वालिफाय फॉर द जॉब. आणि ही जी असेसमेंट आहे त्याच्यात तुम्हाला 85% मार्क्स आणायचे आहेत. आणि जसं मी सांगितलं, काय एवढं मोठं म्हणजे जास्त डिफिकल्ट नसणार आहे. जी काही तुम्ही ट्रेनिंग घेतली, ऑन जॉब ट्रेनिंग घेतली, त्यावरच तुम्हाला प्रश्न विचारले जातील. Yes, ma'am. Over to you.
Right. So now we have given you all the details of the program. I would like to tell you one thing very, very honestly and clearly. This is a paid program. So if you apply for this particular opportunity, this is the total fees that you're expected to submit for this opportunity. 50,000 is the fees, and then there is 9,000 rupees of GST, as that's a government requirement. You need to pay GST on certain things. Now, there is another very important thing that you need to pay attention to. Once you complete 1 year of this job, okay, once you work in Kotak for 1 year in this position, your 50,000 rupees will be reimbursed to you as bonus after 1 year. So the moment you complete 1 year in this job, your 50,000 fees will be given back to you. So that is also sorted. Whatever you are investing right now, it's more like an investment. You're getting your job, and in 1 year, along with all the salary, you will also be getting this back, ma'am.
तर मंडळी, हा जो कोर्स आहे तो पेड कोर्स आहे. ठीक आहे. 50,000 याची फीज आहे, त्यावर 9,000 GST आहे. ठीक आहे. पण त्याच्यावर तुम्हाला एक चांगली अपॉर्च्युनिटी भेटते. 45 डेजमध्ये तुम्हाला जॉब भेटतोय. पण देर इज अ कॅच. ही फीज तुम्हाला परत भेटू शकते. का परत भेटू शकते? एकदा का तुम्ही वर्ष संपवला कोटक बँकमध्ये, जर का तुम्ही 1 वर्ष संपवला, तर 100% फीज रिइम्बर्समेंट, म्हणजे तुम्ही जे काय पैसे भरलेत ते तुम्हाला ॲज अ बोनस परत भेटतील. येस मॅम.
Okay, because 9,000 is the GST amount. We'll
Yes.
not be reimbursing that, but your 50,000 you will be getting back. So now we have told you all the details of this program, from salary to fees to your training details, etc. I just want to tell you one last thing. If you are interested in this program, we are giving you the link of the application program. So the link of that application form will be in the description and the pinned comment. All right. So the same link will be in 2 places. You can click on one of the links, like one of the places, and you will get the form in front of you. Just 1 second. In the comment section, it will be pinned, and in the description also, we will be putting the link. So wherever you find it, click on that link, fill up the form completely. Whichever phone number and email ID you are putting on that form, please be available on that, because my team will reach out to you to tell you everything else about the program, to guide you about the selection and how to enroll, etc., etc. If you're interested, click on that link, fill the form, ma'am.
तर जर का तुम्हाला या प्रोग्राममध्ये इंटरेस्ट असेल आणि 45 डेजमध्ये तुम्हाला बँकेत नोकरी हवी असेल, तर लिंकमध्ये आम्ही डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्समध्ये आम्ही लिंक प्रोव्हाइड करतोय, आणि कॉमेंट बॉक्समध्ये पण जो पिन्ड कॉमेंट आहे त्याच्यावर आम्ही लिंक प्रोव्हाइड करतो आहे. तर प्लीज गो टू दॅट लिंक, तुमचे डिटेल्स भरा आणि जो फोन नंबर तुम्ही तिकडे देताय, मेक शुअर यू आर ॲक्टिव्ह ऑन दॅट नंबर, कारण आमची टीम तुम्हाला त्याच नंबरवर कॉन्टॅक्ट करणार. ठीक आहे, परत मी सांगते, डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्समध्ये एक लिंक आहे आणि कॉमेंट बॉक्समध्ये पण एक लिंक आहे. त्यावर एक ॲप्लिकेशन असेल, तो तुम्ही भरून टाका आणि त्या नंबरवर तुम्ही ॲक्टिव्ह राहा.
Okay, so thank you so much everybody for watching the video, and thank you so much Ankita ma'am for joining us today. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more such important videos and updates. Thank you.
थँक्यू. बाय.